In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture Gclid from Wpforms using the UTM and Gclid Catcher plugin. This handy plugin is a fantastic tool designed to capture and save UTM tags and Gclid in cookies, making it easier for you to transmit these details through Wpforms. It equips you with Wpforms tags for UTM and Gclid that can be seamlessly integrated into your forms and CRM systems. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in and set up this plugin together. To get started, we first need to install the UTM and Gclid Catcher plugin. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Plugins section, and then select Add New. This will bring you to the WordPress plugin directory, where you can find thousands of free plugins available to enhance your site's functionality. In the search bar, type in UTM and Gclid Catcher. Take a moment to ensure that you are selecting the correct plugin, as sometimes the titles can be quite similar. Once you've found it, you're just a couple of clicks away from having it on your site. Click the Install Now button and wait a few moments for the installation process to complete. After installation, the Activate button will appear. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site, bringing it to life and ready for action. Once activated, the beauty of this plugin is its simplicity and automation. Without needing any further configuration, it immediately begins capturing Gclid and UTM parameters directly from the URL. These data points are stored safely in cookies, ready to be called up when needed. You won't need to lift another finger to get this running. It's all taken care of automatically. So, how do you make use of this captured data? Your next step is to incorporate the Wpforms tags for Gclid and UTM into your form notifications or CRM integrations. This step allows the collected data to be transmitted effectively wherever needed, whether it's reporting, tracking, or integrating with other business tools. This seamless integration ensures that you can make the most of your marketing data without any hassle. The UTM and Gclid Catcher plugin is an invaluable tool for marketers and developers who rely on accurate tracking and data capture to drive important business decisions. With everything set up, you can confidently capture essential marketing metrics effortlessly through Wpforms. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully installed and activated the UTM and Gclid Catcher plugin, allowing you to capture and utilize Gclid and UTM parameters effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes your WordPress form management a breeze. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials.